We were using between 60 and 80 kilowatts a day, sometimes a bit more. Certainly if we're charging the car a lot, can be up to 100 odd kilowatts. The system now with the batteries that's been installed copes with it all the time. Since the 25th of May and we're now 12th of June, we've used 42 kilowatts, so half a day's usage in all that time. The install process for us seemed very simple. OffGrid Pro visited, they worked out the size of the system we might need, explained everything to us as to how it was going to work, obviously gave us the price to do it, explained what the likely payback period is, and then once we decided to go, Paul and the team were in, the whole system was installed, up and running within 24 hours. This sort of system for high-end users I think is now becoming a must. If you can take 3 weeks worth of power and make it the whole lot for less than half a day, why wouldn't you?